Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today, in the previous video, I have shown you how to work with the table. So in the previous video, I have shown you that I'll be working with the marquee tag. So in this video, I'll explain what's the marquee tag. So first, let me include the HTML tag. So this is the opening tag. This is the closing tag. Okay. So within that, I have the head. Okay, and then the title. So I'll give the title as Marquee and I'll close the title and then I'll close the head. So within that I'll include the body part, so which is the body of the web page. So I'll close the body. Let me save it. So I'll save it with marquee.html. Fine. So within the body, okay. So within the body, I'll include the marquee tag. Okay. So marquee tag is basically is used. Marquee tag is basically used to to scroll, used for scrolling the items. It can be used for scrolling. And it can be used for making some animation of the text animation of the text. We will see the same thing by using jQuery. So right now in HTML, you have a feature of marquee, which can be done by using the marquee tag. So this can be used to do some various types of animation. You can scroll the text, you can give some color to that text. All that is possible within the marquee tag. So within the marquee tag, we have various attributes. The first attribute is the behavior. So behavior, your behavior means how you will how you want to scroll the text. So your behavior by default it will be scroll. Okay, and I am giving some bg color, suppose red, and I am giving some height 100 and width 100. Okay, within that I input some text using marquee tag in my web page. Fine. Okay, so I'll save it, run, and then launching Chrome. So you can see this is the marquee tag which you are able to see, and you can see since I have given some height width, so it will show in this region. So uh, I can increase the height width. So let me increase it to 300, save it, and then go to the browser and then F5. So you can see uh, I have this marquee, like it will keep on scrolling from right side to left side by default, and then I can suppose let it be 100 and let the width let it be 300 and height be 100. So I'll save it, go to the browser and then F5. You can see this is this type of effect can be done by using the height and width. So sorry. So I can use this marquee tag for the caption in the table. I can use a marquee tag to give some suppose ads in the online shopping. I can use some marquee tag for the various effects in the text. So apart from behavior, I have direction. So direction is one more attribute, so which can be used for various like in which direction you want to scroll the text. The direction can be suppose up. Okay, if I refresh, you can see it will go to the upward side. Okay, the direction can be down. Okay, it will go to downside if I change the direction down. If I change to left, it will go to left side, which is by default. And if I change it to right, it will go to right side. So like this, I can use the scroll effect. So and then you can see, apart from like direction, let me, for your benefit, let me include this value of the direction tag. Like, so the direction can be up, okay, it can be down, it can be left, or it can be right. Fine. So we have seen all those direction in the Marquee tag. So this, apart from this, suppose let make this direction up. Okay. So it will go to upward side. So apart from this, I have various behavior. I can have I have three types of value for the behavior attribute. So for the behavior, you can see, for the behavior, I can have scroll, which you have seen. Okay, I can have slide, or I can have alternative, alternate. Sorry, I can have alternate. So in place of scroll, I can use slide. Okay, save it, refresh. So it will slide for once. It will go from down to up because I have used the direction up. So it will slide for only for the first time. The occurrence will be for once, and it will go from down to up because direction is up. Now if I change this to bottom, okay, and then save it, you can see, uh, 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 it will slide from down because the value is down. So I can use up, or I can use down. So if I refresh, you can see, it will start from the up side and it will go down. So same thing, I can use right. Okay, save it, then go to the browser. For the first time, it will start from left side and go to right side, and it will stop. So same thing for the left. As I save it, if I go to the browser, you can see it will use the slide behavior from right side to left side. Since I have used the behavior, here you can see I have used the behavior slide, and the direction is left. So same thing I can use for alternate. Okay. So let me see how the things goes on for alternate. You can see it will just change, like alternate, like it will scroll from from alternately, it will scroll. So you can see here, it will have this type of effect. So this also is possible for in alternate. Let me change this height to 50. Save it. So okay, so it will scroll from this portion. Now if I change the direction to right, okay, and save it, you can see, it will go from left to right. Means there is a minor changes which you are able to distinguish for left and right. Same thing for up and down. If I save it and refresh it, you can see, it will start from down and it will go up, and it will do the this type of behavior or pattern you will able to see in your page. If I use the direction is equal to up, in case of behavior alternate. Same thing for down, you can see. Let me save it. and then refresh the browser, you can see it will start from up and it will go down. So it will keep on, it will do for the infinite loop. It will go in this banner. So like this, I can have the within the marquee tag, I can have the behavior. I can within the behavior attribute, I can have these three like three values. It can be scroll by default. I can have slide. I can have alternate. So in the direction, I can have up, down, left or right. And then I can have VG color. I can use the in the previous videos I have shown you the VG color can be the VG color can be the RGB color function. I can use RGB color function. Okay, I can use the color name like here I have used, or I can use the hexadecimal value. Okay, all these three are possible. I can use either I can use this RGB function, or I can use the color name like here I have used, or I can use the hexadecimal value. And then for the height width, I can use the pixel like this, or I can use percentage. So 50% and 300%. Can save it, go to browser and then refresh. You can see it takes the percentage within the 100 percentage of the web page. It will take the height of 50 percentage and width 300 percentage. So I can give in pixel. I can give in the for height and width. I can give in pixels or in percentage. Okay, so both are valid. So right now I'm doing the percentage because it's not looking so good. Okay, and save it, and then I can do like this. If you want to put in center, you can use the center tag. So all this type of like animations is possible by using the marquee tag. So within the marquee tag, in general, we have behavior, we have direction. I can give some color, background color by using the PG color, and then I can give height and width. So we have various things like other attributes are also possible like loop, then 8 space, V space, but that's rarely used. We can see all those attributes in the upcoming video. So I guess it's all clear. Like you can use the marquee tag for any paragraph. You can use the marquee tag for the heading tags starting from H1 to H6. You can use the marquee tag suppose if you are including some caption to a table. तो ये सब के लिए आप लोग मार्क्यू टैग यूज कर सकते हो। मार्क्यू टैग के अंदर इन जनरल ये आप देख सकते हो ये सारे एट्रीब्यूट्स ऐड कर सकता हूँ। एक एट्रीब्यूट है बिहेवियर जिसका वैल्यू हो सकता है स्क्रॉल हो सकता है स्लाइड हो सकता है ऑल्टरनेट हो सकता है और एक एट्रीब्यूट है डायरेक्शन जिसका वैल्यू हो सकता है अप हो सकता है डाउन हो सकता है लेफ्ट और राइट हो सकता है। उसके बाद है बीजी कलर में मैं कुछ भी दे सकता हूँ। बीजी कलर में मैं आरजीबी फंक्शन यूज कर सकता हूँ। मैं कलर नेम यूज कर सकता हूँ। यहाँ पे देख सकते हो मैंने रेड यूज किया है। मैं यहाँ पे पिंक यूज कर सकता हूँ और एनी अदर कलर और आई कैन यूज द हेक्साडेसिमल वैल्यू। हेक्साडेसिमल वैल्यू के लिए मुझे हैश आई टू यूज द हैश सिंबल देन द 6 डेसिमल वैल्यू एंड देन आई हैव हाइट। यहाँ पे मुझे हाइट है और यहाँ पे विड्थ है। तो हाइट मैं पिक्सल्स में भी दे सकता हूँ या फिर परसेंटेज में भी दे सकता हूँ। So all this comes under the marquee tag. Hope you have understood. आप लोग ने सही से समझा होगा कैसे हम लोग marquee tag यूज कर सकते हैं with the various attributes. So like this we can use the marquee tag in our web page. So hope you are doing well and you have understood the concepts very well. So stay connected and don't if you have any doubts. I used to say repeatedly in my video like if you have any doubts don't forget to comment in my video and subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you. Take care.